Finding balance in a busy and chaotic life can be hard. Open your mind, let the breeze control you. Embark on exquisite journey with Aman Resorts. Introducing the nature of balance. A series of murals on the high walls of Changi Airport Terminal 2 departure, complete with augmented reality and sand experience of nature atmosphere. It's more than a mural. It's an experience. Crafted for those seeking unique, transformative getaway. Discover your senses. See, hear, smell, feel. Aman Resorts, where tranquility meets balance.